What's that? No. Oh, come. Oh, come. Yeah. Okay. That was fine. That was good. All good. Bandit. Go, go. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. Hey. Hey. Oh wait, let me rest a moment. He's doing good. He's doing good because there's no hair going up or anything. Yeah. And now, even yet, there's no hair, there's no wrinkly. He's doing good. You see what he's doing? Yeah, yeah. He wants so much play, yeah, but he don't know how. Yeah, so and that's dangerous. Yeah, so I come a little bit closer. That's it. Sit. Sit. That's good. All good, Bandit. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's all good. Yeah. What you know what I did? When he was so freaking there, huh? I turned around and I were going away. And then I turned around and I came again. And this brought him, made him calm. He's okay now. That's not an aggression. He wants.
Tail's going, so maybe he wants to play.
You see the tail?
Yeah.
Hey.
Did you want to go to the field and see if they play a bit, maybe?
No, I can't. Not yet. We will go. Don't worry. We will go, but not yet. Yeah. Let us have a little like we do now. Yeah. We can go further down than you want. Yeah.
We can go back. Doesn't matter.
That's okay with me. Yeah. And when we go this distance, because you have to come closer, over the time, closer, slowly, so that he understands that the dog, what you handles, is not doing anything. Yeah, that is normal.
Yeah, no threat.
For us, it's normal. I make a movie.
Okay.
Everything is on vid now.
That's good for the trainer too.
I will see how it really is. Later on the laptop, I see exactly what is the trigger, and what is really what I can do better or different.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so that he is sitting here now. Yeah, it's fine. My hope, Ras, always is, I saw Cindy now and Monica.
Yeah.
These are 3 dogs what are friends. Then they come to others, they freak out.
Yeah.
Every dog have some problems. That's normal. We want to play. You will play soon, yeah. But you have to have a little bit. Huh? He was a good boy. He's a good boy. He did not know what's going on today in the morning.
Yeah.
It was too early for him.
Change the routine.
No, he did not know. He was so surprised that we had to go out. Yeah, he was so surprised.
Probably a good thing.
Oh yeah,
Break
oh
up
yeah,
the routine.
oh yeah. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let us go further. Come, slow, slow. Welcome. So. Come. All good. So starting to get a kind like normal for Bandit. He's sniffing. Come. He's sniffing. There's another dog in front and he's even not so excited anymore. It's a very good walk. Will be interesting on the way back. Right now everything is working. Come. Everything is working, he's doing good. Both dogs are great. Come. Gosh, there's no coyotes, don't worry.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
And when there are coyotes, we lose them.
Yeah.
There's no problem. I have no problems. Come. Ango. So I will stop with some movie and I will switch it on when we turn. So Bandit,